Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Sophia, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and go to the button sleep. And here you can choose between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. So 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. Personally, for me, 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short. 5 minutes and 10 minutes are a bit of a safety issue for me because people could just get to my phone easier, I feel like. So I always set my phone to like 1 minute. That just works perfectly fine. For demonstration reasons though, I'm gonna set it to 15 seconds and then we'll go back and wait a little bit until the screen turns dark. So now you can see that the phone turns darker and now it's off, and when we want to get to our phone again, we have to unlock it again. Oops. So that's how you customize the screen timeout on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.